Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js Instagram app video tutorial series. My name is Yazim. In this video tutorial, we are going to design our sign-in form. Last video tutorial we designed our sign-up form, and in this video tutorial, next our sign-in form. So before this, we have to give design to our username and caption. Actually, I forgot before, so I think in post.css and we have here post text. In post.css font weight normal, okay, then padding, give it a padding from top, all these sides, padding 20 pixels. I think it's too much, 10, or give it 5. It's better, it looked like better than before. Okay, so next step, our today video about sign in. So I'm going to close post.css and post.js. Again, last time we create a model, again we have to create another model, and this time we need for our sign in. So I'm going to copy this open and set open. Now this time open sign in and set open sign in. Just save it, and here is the model. I'm going to copy all this model and paste here. So instead of open, replace it open sign in, and for on close it should be set open sign in. Make it false. Everything is same, but here for sign in we need email and password, which we will set up. Just save it, and instead of sign up it should be sign in. Save, and in last we have to pass this set sign in here. On click, set open sign in will be true. Save. Now I'm going to sign in. We have here sign in form, because it's look like same our sign up, and actually I just and copy now sign up form and remove our username. That's it. It's the same designing, same CSS code, each and everything, and we design our sign in and sign up forms. So I think it's very clear, and most of the design part we finished. Just we need one more thing for post uploading, and that one will design later. I think it's more better. In next video tutorial we'll make Firebase connection with our app, and we import or we pull down our posts and comments here. So that's all this video tutorial. See you next one.